Welcome to Xrero Xrero Sign. Let's dive in. Xrero Sign lets you get documents signed electronically. No printing, scanning, or posting. You upload a PDF, drop fields on it, a signature box, a date, a text line, choose who signs where, and send. Sign into Xrero and open Xrero Sign from the app's menu. The top menu has 4 areas. 5 ideas explain the whole module. Keep them in mind, and everything else falls into place. The documents list shows every request with its reference, the template came from, the signing progress, and its status. For a document you'll only send once, you don't need a template. For documents new, upload the PDF, place a few fields, add the signer, and send, all on one record. If you send the same document often, a tenancy contract, an offer letter, make it a template once with all fields placed and reuse it forever. Fields are the boxes a signer fills. In the field editor, the PDF is shown page by page. Pick a field type and click or drag where it should go. Xrero Sign ships with 5 field types. Each has a default size and a helpful tip shown to the signer. Text fields can autofill from the signer's details. A role connects a field to the right person. If a contract needs a tenant signature and a landlord signature, you create 2 roles, assign each field to a role, and when you send, you simply say who plays each role. On the request, the signer's list maps each role to a real person, their name and email. The signing order is the list order. The first signer is notified first when you use sequential signing. Before sending, set the email subject and a short message the signers will read, and optionally add CC recipients who should receive the final signed copy without signing themselves, e.g. your records inbox. Click Send. Each signer is emailed a secure link. The request moves to Sent, and every signer's state becomes sent. The signer clicks the link in their email, and the document opens in their browser. No login. They see the pages, the field highlighted, and a clear sign action. When the signer clicks a signature field, a signature pad opens. They can draw with a finger or mouse, type their name in a signature font, or upload an image of their signature. Besides signing, the signer completes any other fields you placed, text boxes, typed in, date fields, picked or auto-set to the signing day, and checkboxes, tick to agree. Once every required field is filled, the signer clicks Validate and Sign to submit. Their state becomes completed. If they cannot sign, they can refuse and give a reason. The request then moves to Refused and you're notified. Back in Documents, each request shows a live progress count. How many signers are done out of the total? If a signer is slow, open the request and click Resend to email the link again. This is handy when an invitation is missed or buried in an inbox. The link and document are unchanged. If a document is no longer needed, open it and click Cancel. The request moves to Canceled and the signing links stop working, so no one can sign afterwards. When the last signer finishes, Xrero Sign assembles a single completed PDF with every signature, initial, text, date, and tick burned into the page. Every request keeps a log of events, when it was sent, opened, signed, and by whom, with timestamps. From this, Xrero Sign produces a signing certificate, a 1-page audit report you can download alongside the signed PDF as legal evidence of the signing. The dashboard analyses your signing activity, how many requests are in each status, completion rates, and turnaround. Group and filter to see, for example, how many contracts were fully signed this month. Access is controlled by 2 groups. Xrero Sign /user can create templates and send requests. Xrero Sign /administrator can additionally manage field types and signer roles and configuration. A few habits make signing fast and dispute-proof. The card below is a quick reference. The points beneath explain each one. How the main objects fit together. A template carries fields assigned to roles. A request maps roles to real signers, who sign in the portal, producing a completed document with an integrity hash and a certificate. The quickest fixes for the issues we're asked about most. That is Xrero Xrero Sign. Start your free trial today.